What's going on, everybody? It's Letitia with Barefoot Gardening. I hope that you are doing well. So I went to one of those big old box, stores and got some fencing. I saw this. I didn't make this up, I swear. I'm always learning from other people and trying to mimic so I can get good at this stuff. But this is fencing. It was like $1.50 a piece for each, panel. And so I was like, well, shoot, I'm gonna go on and pick me up some and make a bed if I can. And by make one, I mean me. Can you believe it? So let me show you what I've done so far. So what I want, these pieces are like 6 feet long, and so what I wanted to do was use my handy dandy, what is this called? Chicksaw? Handsaw? Hacksaw. And cut it down to size just a bit, because 6 feet is too wide for me to reach across, right? I would have to put in, I don't know, something. I'd be stepping in the soil all the time. So I wanted to cut it down about 2 feet. So that's what I did. I did my little markings here using my handy dandy chicksaw, handsaw, what's it called? What is it called again? Hacksaw. That shows how much I need to be around this stuff. Okay, and my level here that I got at the Dollar Tree for $1 a couple years ago. So I marked 12 feet so I can cut it down 2 feet, or 12 inches so I can cut it down 2 feet. And that's what I did. So now I have a 4-foot piece of panel, and I'm going to attach that to the 6-foot pieces. So it'll be 6 feet long, 4 feet wide. Okay, and I think that's going to be what's up. Now, where to put it is a good question, because before my goal was, y'all see I have this much of a compost left, so I'm so proud of myself. I have moved all of this on my own. I have had no help, even though that made me frustrated at times. I think he's, another lesson in the garden, right? Like, you get to find out how far you can push yourself, and the process may be very frustrating at first, but I'm glad for people in my life. I'm grateful for people in my life that Mom, I even love it for you. Okay, thank you, baby. Even though it seems a little frustrating that sometimes you feel like you need all this help and you don't get it, I think certain people in your life know what your journey is, and they're trying to honor that. It may not come across that way at first, but yeah, I'm grateful that he has eyes to see and a heart to know what is best for me, and he is doing the best he can to cover this family. So we won't focus on the fact that he really just doesn't want to do garden work. we're gonna go that route, right? The positive route, that he is helping me grow and he doesn't even know it. So, or maybe he does, I don't know. But anywho, so I'm thinking actually right here, because I won't have to move all of this dirt so much, or the compost. So making it go long ways, 6 feet long ways, like this. The thing is, my neighbor, I saw him getting a survey to cut this tree down. And I'm kind of sad because it does provide some shade, because you know, it's all morning sun right now. It's like 8:30 in the morning, and you know, this area is getting sun. The driveway is in full sun all day pretty much. But so here is one spot, or right here. And you know, I've been combating in my mind about growing in the front yard, food in the front yard. So just added this bed, but having a 6-foot long bed right here in the front yard and decorating it up really nice with some flowers, and but also growing food inside of the bed. So
and come see what little bigger farmer's doing. Uh-oh, sorry, Birdie. Accidentally got the broom.
okay, so it appears the only thing I'm missing to put the bed together are some screws. So I did not plan very well when I went to Lowe's. Actually, this was in the garden center. I was just going in to get an herb, another tomato plant, and ended up getting these. These were sitting out on a rack, and I was like, how much are those? So I went ahead and grabbed 4 of them. But I need to get some screws so I can screw this together, and then we'll be all set. So I will do a video and show y'all the setup once I get it done. But I'm proud of myself that I got this far, right? I cut 2 even pieces. Y'all pray for me. It's something new that I'm trying. All right, y'all. That's all. Thank y'all so much for watching, and we'll holler at you later.